this is your first time here, this is Sister J. I welcome you. If this is not your first time, I thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for your support. Please continue to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so and be a part of the family. Put your notification bell on so you can be notified when I'm on. That being said, we're going to talk about what we're going to do today. So it's Sunday and it's juice night. So tonight I'm going to be making a tropical punch. Tropical punch. I normally do juice night and live, but I just decided to do the video tonight. Okay, so for our tropical punch, we'll be using some honeydew melon, and this is 3 cups. And here I have 1 cup of papaya, 1 cup of pineapple, and a small cup of mango. This is the frozen mango. Okay, and we're gonna need just a little honey. So stay tuned while we make some tropical punch. So it's time to make our punch. Okay, so first up, I'm going to be putting in the melon first. The reason why I put the watermelon first, well, this is the honeydew melon, it's just the same. It's a part of the melon family. The reason why I'm putting it first is because I'm not using no water. And there's another reason why I use more of this than the others, because this fruit have a lot of water. So so this is just the honeydew. Just needed to get some more liquid. Okay, so now I'm going to add my pineapple. gonna have the mango. And the papaya. Okay guys, now I'm gonna have the honey. But before I do that, let me check and see. Yes, rich and nice. You're gonna sweeten to your taste. I'm just putting like 2 tablespoons of honey. Sweeten to your taste. The fruits, they're sweet, so you don't need a lot of sweetener in it, okay? You can use sugar if you choose. You can just drink it like that. I had some honey to mine. Okay guys, the punch should be ready. Guys, here you have it. My tropical punch with pineapple, mango, papaya, and honeydew melon. Tastes good. I taste all the fruits that I put in it. I taste the mango, the papaya, the pineapple, and the honeydew melon. Tastes really good. Guys, as I always said, I buy my fruits and I make my own juice. I do it weekly. I do like 2 different types of juice weekly, and I just store it in the refrigerator, and that's what I drink daily. Because you know, we go to the store and they say, yes, this is natural. I'm not saying it's not natural, but I know when I do it, I know it's natural. It's so easy for me to do it, and I know it will become easy for you to do. Just get your fruits of your choice and make your juice, make your punch. Yes. Tastes so good. Real good. Go try it. Come back, comment, tell me how it tastes. Pineapple, honeydew melon. As I said, I use more of the melon because the melon is full of liquid, and that's the reason why I blend it first. But the other stuff easy to blend, so you can always add it, and you don't have to use water. Well, it depends on the blender you have, but this blender, it just break the melon all the way down to liquid, and then you add your other fruits to it. and you enjoy your natural drink, natural juice. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and be a part of the family. Take care of yourself and loved ones. God bless.